a simple lower body exercise, quad dominant, and it's going to hit all the major quad muscles, including inner thighs, which is not quad muscle, but it is an accessory muscle for the squat. So the first one is an old school hack squat. It's going to do 5 reps. I'll clean it up. My form. 2. Keep my arms tight throughout the movement. Don't talk when you do this. 3, 2, 1, tempo down. Reset. 4. 5. 3, 2, 1. Next exercise is a banded squat. I like to call them Dominican squats. Why not? Shout out to my country. So think of this almost like a leg extension, where you're doing a leg extension machine. It's just an eccentric way of getting your quads. So I scoot back, I have appropriate tension. Then I hold a weight. I squat to parallel. Here's the exercise. Drive my legs back straight. That's the quads working. Inhale. I'm just going to do 5. 2-second pause. And my quads are burning right there. 2 more. Boom. And 1 more. You can always use a lighter band. And this would be actually 20 reps. That's for volume. That would be 10 reps. The last exercise is just a pause on the bottom, old school goblet squat. Don't talk on the bottom. 3, 2, 1. Hang out for about 5 seconds. I'll do 2 reps. And I'm up. Notice my elbows are tucked in. Up. That's the circuit.